In this tutorial, we'll learn how to forward Hotmail emails to another account. This is a handy trick if you want to consolidate your emails and keep everything organized in one place. Start by accessing your Outlook account, since Hotmail is now part of Microsoft's Outlook service. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. You can find this by searching for Outlook login or visiting Microsoft's official website. Once there, click on the Sign In button. If you're already logged into another Microsoft service, this should be seamless. If not, simply enter your credentials as prompted. After logging in, you'll be on the Outlook homepage. Here, all your emails are organized for easy access. Navigate to your inbox by clicking the Inbox tab on the left-hand panel. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it's designed for ease of use with folders and categories neatly lined up. Next, select the email you wish to forward. Click on the subject to open the full email. Now, locate the three-dot icon at the top of the email window. Clicking this icon reveals additional options without cluttering your main interface. From the drop-down menu, choose Other Reply Actions and then select Forward as Attachment. This option ensures that the email's original formatting and metadata remain intact, making it easy for the recipient to view it exactly as you have. Once you select Forward as Attachment, a new email window will appear. Enter the email address where you want to send the email. You can also add a message in the body if you need to provide extra context. When everything looks good, click the Send button. And that's it. Your Hotmail email is now forwarded to another account. This method is convenient for keeping emails manageable and ensuring that important messages are accessible from a central location. Practicing these steps a few times will make the process smooth and second nature. By following these instructions, you can streamline your email workflow and maintain better organization across multiple accounts. Enjoy a more efficient email experience, and don't forget to explore other helpful guides for more tips and tricks.